What's up, guys? Jay here from Easy Blade. We're back with another fade haircut barber tutorial, guys. This one's going to be a skin fade, and we're also going to include the beard. Now, this is going to be a good one. I want you guys to stick around and watch this one to the end. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Now, what we did here is we did our skin line. We used the babyless outliner there. I think it's the FX. And then we also use the shaver right here to really make the fade haircut pop out. You want to make sure that you get it as skin as possible. We're going to use a number 6 guard on top in this particular fade haircut. Now what we're doing here is starting our second guideline, which is our machine all the way open. Now it doesn't matter what machine you use, guys. A lot of people ask, they have different machines. Doesn't matter. Same thing as long as you have a lever on your machine. So now that I created that guideline, I want to establish the top. He wants a number 6 on top, and that's exactly what we're doing. Just going over it, making sure that it's nice and even. Now we're going to grab a number 2 guard, flicking our wrist all the way to the crown of the head because again, this is kind of like a high fade, mid to high skin fade. We're going all the way to the crown, guys. Now we're going to drop down to our 1.5 guard, flicking our wrist, opening our lever, fading into that number 2 guard. Now we're dropping down to our number 1 guard, same exact steps, guys, flicking that wrist, fading up into that 1.5 guard. Okay, we're going to drop down to that half guard and start to remove that second guideline. Now here we go with that half guard, and we're basically flicking our wrists, doing smaller strokes. Smaller strokes are key because you don't want to bring the line higher than it already is, guys. So now we remove that half guard off the machine, and now we're going to remove that skin line, guys. Very, very key here. Same thing, smaller strokes, flicking the wrist, opening the lever as we get higher. And now you're going to see the fade really start to take place. So let's start shaping up the front of the head. We're going to work our way from the middle to the side, cornering the machine and connecting the dots. Now let's start our beard. You want to start on the outside of the beard, working our way around. We're going to go ahead and get the top of the beard. Most of the detail is going to come from the straight razor. Again, if you watch the channel, you already know, don't like detailing too much with the machine because it's really going to end up bringing the beard down to where you don't want it to be, and he wants his beard as high as possible. So what we're going to do here is grab some Easy Blade shave gel along with an Easy Blade double-edged razor and straight razor. This particular one is the wood handle. You can grab this on our website, easybladeshavingproducts.com. And what I did was apply some Easy Blade shave gel, stretch the skin, line it up, then I wiped that excess off and I did it dry. So you're going to see, just to get a crisp look, sometimes you have to wipe off the excess, and you're going to see how crisp the beard looks. And this is what we have. Again, Jay here from easybladeshavingproducts.com. If you guys need any products, check out our website.